Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So we wanted to turn our patio into a shady all-weather hangout area. And today I want to show you what we did. We got this wall-mounted gazebo that we installed. It's a heavy-duty pergola that looks amazing and actually holds up really well to the sun and rain. This gazebo is built with a sturdy aluminum frame, and the panels are waterproof and UV resistant. They slide right into place during the time we were assembling it. The assembly was really straightforward, especially with two people. My brother and I assembled this and put the whole thing up in just a few hours in one day. So, but just make sure you follow directions because some things have to face the right way because it does matter. Now, it's sturdy and it's already handled a lot of hot sun and rain like a champ. It has rained really hard in the weeks after we put it up, and there have been absolutely no leaks.
And done.
Now, we still do need to put some sheeting between the back end and the house to keep the rain from flowing down the back. But this is amazing. The price is great. It's such a good value. It's a professional looking pergola that's really stylish. It's functional and it perfectly transformed the backyard without breaking the banks. We love it.